All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verbs. So decide. To come to a decision. About something. Decision. So he needs to decide which way to go. Yeah. I need to decide what to eat. This or that. Choices, yeah. She will have to decide carefully between them. Decide carefully between them, yeah. These decisions are hard to make. Ooh, hard. Yeah. I will have to think carefully before I decide. I have a list of different videos to record, and I need to decide which to do first. Which one to do first? Yes. He had to decide last night. He had to decide last night. He had to make a decision last night. I'm deciding now. Yeah. I am deciding now what I need to do today. Yeah. So it's 11:15. I need to do this, then that, then that, then this. Yeah. So I am deciding what to do next. Yeah. I'll call it that. Soon they will have to have a choice to decide on. Yeah, so it is nice to be able to decide what to do and when. Do this or that. It's a nice problem to have. It is a nice problem to have, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, decide. Left, right, straight forward, that way, that way. Okay. So, can you use decide in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.